Alright, so this is some kind of 102-inch whip or something. I don't know exactly if that's the length of it, but it was free. It's called the Racer by Avanti. There's some kind of fiberglass. I don't know if it's coil wound or not, actually. Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? I guess maybe it's not 102 inches. Alright, so I just compared it with the 102-inch whip, and it's about the same size. So, what we're going to do, we're using none of the loading coil shorting part, so we're using the entire coil. Let's just go ahead and see what it does without using anything but the tuner and the radio. Okay. Okay, won't tune that band. Let's go down low. Won't tune that either. Okay. Okay. Cool.
Radar, of course, is a lot higher frequency, but yeah, I think that was for the big radar, the pulse.
Let's go all the way down to the bottom of the band. Okay, so now we need to go up. Let's see if I got the fast button is on. So like there we go. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be somewhere around 220. And it won't tune. Okay, so somewhere below that. Okay, let's try 250. Okay, won't go that high. 240. I hear it click. You hear that click, it usually kind of tells you. $30. So we can get up to about 230. Now, keep in mind, I don't have a counterpoise or anything on this. Somewhere around 7235. If I added a counterpoise, I guarantee it would work. So somewhere between there and there. We're just gonna walk through the bands really quick with no counterpoise just to see what this is gonna do. I don't really care for that band. It's out of band anyway. Okay. So I think it's actually resonant, and it's so far off on any other band that you really do have to tune it for the bands you want to use. There, let's go all the way to the bottom. Okay. So if it tunes on 40, what other band should it tune? There should be like another harmonic it should tune, I would imagine. So it's just going to tune whatever band it's tuned for. So it's a 40-meter coil, and with the correct amount of whip, it will tune this band. So in order to use this on other bands, you're gonna have to adjust the coil, which is pretty normal. But I just wanted to see if for some reason it might act like a long wire sort of. So I'm gonna add that counterpoise that's on the end fed really quick. So the particular counterpoise that I'm using over there right now, I'm using is maybe 8 feet long. It actually won't tune up as high anymore. It's really finicky, as I just seen it tune up on 85. So anyway, that particular counterpoise is sort of an issue. Well, anyway, so let's go ahead and try this thing with. We'll just go ahead and let's see. I got to figure out where it's sanded at. I can't see from here because of this sunlight. Sun's very, very bright today. Okay, all the way back over here. So I'm gonna have to definitely do some more work on this, but okay. We're gonna put it right about there. Okay, so that should work 10 meters. Let's just see if it does. Just out of curiosity, let's see what. Okay, just want to make sure. So up at that length, it's broadband enough to tune 17, 15, and probably 12. That is weird. So for some reason, it's actually working much lower in the band. So it won't do any of 10. Let's go up to 29. That's very strange. Let's try. So instead of 10 meters, we got 17.
repeaters just the other week. So thank you very much for 15. Thank you for the quick contact. Whiskey Golf 3 Charlie, fired out. Bye-bye. Okay, there was a Zulu station, I think, calling Whiskey Golf 3 Charlie.
Okay, never mind that.
You can hear the receive come up too. That's why I like having a tuner that works on receive when I'm using crappy antennas. And yes, this would fall under the category of a crappy antenna. Okay. So I'm wondering if I just actually don't have enough antenna or too much. Let me try and change this whip with something else.